Hi guys, welcome to this short video about pharmacy capsules. This is a really interesting topic, especially if you are into food supplements. When you're buying sometimes food supplements, then it could be a really interesting thing for you. Most people will think, yeah, okay, that's probably the most boring topic, pharmacy capsules. Yeah, I will tell you why it could be really interesting for you. So here we are on Wikipedia, and that's the article about pharmacy capsules. And there are basically two types of pharmacy capsules. The one is these single piece gel encapsulation soft capsules, and usually there are some oils or vitamins, like I think usually vitamin E, and so because there are oils inside, where the vitamin E is, I think also vitamin A, same thing. And then there are the two-piece gel encapsulations. The thing is, two pieces, as you can see. When you see on the right side, there is some kind of gap, two pieces. And the really crazy thing, which I don't know how many people that know, you can really open these capsules if you like to take the ingredients not with a capsule but outside. You can really do that. I have seen people taking, especially probiotics, they have been trying to multiply the probiotics inside. I don't know if it really works. I've been trying, didn't work for me, but maybe it works for some people. The really interesting thing is really these capsules which are in two pieces. What does it mean? When you buy it, they come together in one piece, but you can take it apart, and that means you can make them on your own. And when we go on Amazon, you will see that there is everything what you need to make your own capsules available. Here you have the gelatin capsules, different sizes, as you can see. Usually 1000 counts, and then you see the size. And there are of course vegetable capsules and gelatin capsules, which is like from animal whatsoever. But it's not vegetable, so I'm usually buying the vegetable capsules. And I have bought some kind of such machine here. It was actually pretty cheap. It was probably something like that, or a little bit more sophisticated, rather something like that, but it was a little bit cheaper. I think you should be able to get it for maybe $20, $30, $40, depending on the amount and size and comfort. It's a pretty cool thing. It's fun to do that, and you can put in whatever you want. The really interesting thing is that there are a lot of things which you can't produce, like probiotics and so on, but especially when it comes to spices, and a lot of spices are really healthy, but a lot of them are really difficult to swallow. They are either super hot, or they stain. Especially when it comes to curcumin. Here you have the thing, turmeric, curcumin. It's a really super healthy thing, but it has two huge disadvantages. When you buy them in capsules, it is super expensive. As you can see, most are really super expensive. Sometimes you can buy some a little bit cheaper, but usually they are super expensive. And if you don't want to buy these capsules, you could in theory take it in your mouth and then flush it down with like little bit milk or whatsoever. but it stains in your mouth. It could stain your teeth. Your tongue will be yellow for hours or the whole day. This is something what you don't want. So you actually want to use definitely capsules which are much more convenient. You can take it for travel, even into the office whatsoever. But the thing is, you also want to have good quality, and so you just go to any really good store, buy bulk curcumin, put in 5% black pepper, mix it, and then put it we put them together into a capsule with such a machine, and it will it could do really great. I mean, I have been doing that for years. Now have stopped a little bit because I had plenty of them, but I still have everything, and I will definitely continue that on the long term, especially as long as the price is still so high. There are other things too, like cinnamon. Cinnamon. Sometimes you find cheap products. But you have to make sure that they are really good quality. Sometimes they are also very high in price when you buy good quality. I mean, and you can put almost everything which you find and think you want to take as a supplement. You can put it into a capsule and put it in a container and have it ready whenever you want to take it. So that's a really convenient thing. I thought it's probably worth to show it to everybody. I think a lot of people are not aware of that something like that is available and possible and really easy to do. I will put down the links to the machines and capsules into the description, so you can buy or just check them out on Amazon if you like. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.